This episode is about IACRA. It stands for Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application. IACRA is an FAA website that allows people to apply for new airman certificates or to upgrade their existing certificates. Your CFI is going to walk you through this, and this is where you're going to get your student certificate process started. That entire process will take place here on this website, including the electronic signing of applications, and at the end, it'll process all the necessary documents that'll be sent electronically to the Airman Registry. Up in the right-hand corner over here, this is where you're going to start a new account. You're going to want to register here, and you're going to get an FTN number that's assigned to you by the FAA. Keep this in a safe place because your instructor is going to need that the next time you log in. If you're anything like me, you're going to forget all of this information. But thankfully, on the left side, you'll see this gray box. Click on that training and documentation link. This training site provides the user with all the needed information, including fictitious logins to practice completing most types of applications. So just follow the prompts. This mirrors what it's really like to do a real application. Makes it really simple in case you forget. Now you have a place to come back and know how to do it. Back on the home page, left side, click on that What's New in IACRA link. This is advantageous to read each time you come through here. It's going to show you any updates. Don't forget the FAQs. This is always a great resource. Might answer a lot of your questions here. Aircraft search link enables you to search aircraft by VIN number. Pretty simple. Then we have helpful FAA links, is what it sounds. You got the PTS standards, take you there for more information. All the way down at the bottom, Med Express, if you're trying to get your medical started, that's a good starting point. Familiarize yourself with this website, take some notes if needed. You're going to come back to it time and time again for each certificate. And then eventually, if you become a CFI, you're going to need to know how to do this, and you're going to be walking your student through this just like you're learning here in the beginning. My tip for you is to pay attention to the home page, the updates there, and don't forget to use that training website from IACRA.